Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel. Merging multiple cells in Microsoft Excel helps create a clear, unified header or label, enhancing the readability and organization of your data. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. To merge cells, start by selecting the cells you want to merge. In this example, we will merge the cells in the header row to create a single header across columns. With the cells selected, click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and then look for Merge and Center button in the Alignment group. Click on the drop arrow next to it and select Merge and Center. The selected cells are now merged into one cell and the text is centered. Now to merge the cells without centering the text, select Merge Cells. This merges the selected cells into one without changing the alignment of the text. Last option is Merge Across. This is useful when you want to merge cells in each row of a selected range. So select the range of cells and select Merge Across from the drop-down menu. Each row in your selected range is now merged separately. So that's how to merge cells in Excel. Thanks for watching.